Okay, I'm gonna demo the car for you to tell you actually what we're gonna be doing, and then we're gonna build this car. Okay. So see the switch I gave you? We're gonna be using that switch to turn on the car, just like that. You see? Yeah. Okay. So your car today, it won't be able to move or do anything because you have the brain, but it's an empty brain. You have to put a program there. Okay. So today we're just gonna put the hardware, but we're gonna put, there are two codes that we're gonna need to do to have this car working. We're gonna need to program the microcontroller inside this Arduino Mega, and then we need also to create a mobile application, and it's exactly like the one I'm gonna show you. It's Steam NOOR RC, and I'm gonna go and scan, you see? I'm gonna scan. Your Bluetooth, which is this one, it's gonna have a different name, okay? So you click on that, and then if I do forward, oh, you see, I stop. Okay, so that's what we're gonna build, okay? So that's the project once we finish this class. So I'm gonna turn off. So let's build this car, okay? Yeah, we will, like just the car that you're gonna have, it's just like this one exactly. You know, you're gonna basically scan, as I mentioned, you'll create an application to scan, and once you connect it, you see if I drop the car here, it's gonna go, see? I stop, it's a car. Controlled by Bluetooth, okay? You can control it by Wi-Fi, by LTE, by RC, like a radio control, but this car is gonna be controlled by Bluetooth, okay? If you don't have a phone, and if you have an iPad or a tablet or model that have Bluetooth, we can control it, okay? So let's do it now. So for kids who couldn't make it to yesterday class, so what we did, we took the breadboard, we peeled this sticker here, and we just place it right there, okay? So we just attach it to in the middle, to the edge, just like that. We just attach it like that. And we distributed those small switches. So for now, you're just gonna need to put them right here. And then take your Bluetooth and just plug it right here for now, okay? Then we distributed the tires or wheels and motors. So what we did with the motors, basically, when you come back, if you don't have hot gun at home, maybe your father or your mother can help you. I can help you with that. So what you need to do, you just put a hot glue here, just like that, just enough so it sticks. And make sure you put this going inside and very close to the edge, just like that, okay? Just like this. So when we put the tire, it doesn't touch the edge of the board, just like that. So you have to put one here, one here, one here, and one here, okay? Then I distributed this shield. This is the motor shield to drive these motors. And we're gonna attach it to your Arduino Mega, okay? So in your Arduino Mega, notice that there is pin 0 right here, where it says RX 0 or receive 0. Make sure you match it with pin 0 right here. So these two, they have to match, and then you just connect it just like that, okay? Okay. And then I distributed a double-sided tape, and you just attach it right here. okay? And then later on, we're gonna have to put these cables to the motor and get them through this hole here, just like that. And then I will solder this for you, okay, when you come back. So that was the summary of what we did yesterday. So you all have a board. Yeah, I want you to get your breadboard from the back. Mine is already stick here, okay? Peel that sticky paper and put it right on the edge, just like here, in the middle, just like on the edge. Center.
On this side?
You're good, you're good. Everyone is good. Show me. Okay, you're all good. Okay. Okay, that's good. Okay, next step. I think Susan is giving you a double-sided tape. Yeah, she's giving you double-sided tape. So put that tape, one in this side. So just put one here and one right there, okay?
Yeah, there you go.
Yeah, that's it.
Is this
Okay.
supposed to be crooked like this?
The just like me. See the inside, the inside,
Does it matter what side it has?
inside. This where you have USB should be inside, okay? And put it in the middle, just like that. Okay. I can fix. So everyone, guys. So I want you to take the shield, that small device right there, and I want you to read here. You see pin 0
In the shield or in the...
on the shield, not
I have
the
your shield right now.
not the Arduino Mega. This is actually how we're gonna control the motors. Okay, this one is called L293D. If you went to that Google Meet, I sent you a link. There's the entire class how to build this car. This is the L293D Motor Shield, okay? So I want you to see this pin 0 and match it with the pin 0 here in the Arduino Mega. You see pin 0 right here? Right there.
The RX0?
The RX stands for receive and TX stands for transmit.
Oh, I got it. Wait,
So just for now, I want you just to match it, okay? And then just gently, yeah, I'll come and help you. Just if they are not going straight, if the pins are not going straight, they're not gonna go through. So you see here, match pin 0 with pin 0 and stick it in, okay? Okay? Let me come around. Okay. Oh, can I see? So everyone can see. So see.
Oh, yeah, some of them are going.
That was not gentle. That was not
See,
gentle.
this one is
I don't want to break it.
Mine is going to
Yeah. See? Good. Back. Before. So everyone, I want you to pay attention. Before you start gluing, I want those wires. You see those wires to be inside, just like that, and I want this head to come to be inside, just like this. You see? When you glue, make sure that this is coming inside. And also one more thing, when you glue, be as close as possible to the edge. Reason, because we're gonna put a tire here, and we wanna make sure that actually you can, so be on the edge.
So all the wires inside.
The wires should be inside, just like this.
Hold on, I'm gonna wait for it to dry.
Just like that, yes. Okay, you got it? Okay. So, could you hold this 1 second? Okay. So we're gonna put the hot glue. So this one we're gonna put like that. So this surface, okay, and then let you stick it. Yeah, you wait.
I'm so smart.
Yeah, a couple seconds, and then it's gonna melt. Okay. Okay, let you do it. Yeah, here.
It's not working.
Yeah, you just no, you wait a little bit.
It's still
Let me
drying,
see.
so be careful.
Yeah,
Don't touch that. Yeah, it's not dry.
Yeah.
But you're done with that part. So you can go back to your seat.
yeah. I'm not gonna let you do this, guys. But Ali has a motor with no, you see,
No wires.
no wires. Okay, so I'm gonna at the same time teach you how to solder. When you grow up, I'm gonna give you the soldering. You can actually solder by yourself. Okay. No, because I can't, because you know it's too hot. It's dangerous. Okay. So what you need, you're gonna need lead. Okay. And jumper wires just like this. This is like really, really hot. Let's see. I have here 500. You can just stay there. Oh. 573 Fahrenheit. That's very hot. Okay. So don't touch it. Okay. All right. So here we go. Okay, so I'm gonna try to tin. That's, you know what? I'm gonna take this out. You see the motors that you have here? They are DC motor, and this that yellow plastic is just cover. I can take this out, get the motor. You see that? And
Which part of it is hot?
the tip.
That's not dangerous, only if you touch the tip.
No, it's very hot. It's really hot. Okay. Yeah, and I'm gonna basically just try to tin these terminals like that. Just see how hard it is. Yeah, you don't want to touch it. You definitely don't want to. And I'm showing it to you on TV. You don't have to come here. You see the TV? I mean the monitor. Here. And I'm going to show again. See how, do you see the smoke? Okay. So I'm tinning. I'm kind of just putting a little bit of lead here. And I'm just going to put a little bit of lead here.
Move your head, Mario.
Okay. I put one, just a little bit like that, and hold it still for a minute. See that? So now I can turn it off. We don't need this dangerous stuff here. Right, this side. Yeah, thank you. Okay, guys. All right, follow me now. I want you to get those wires, both of them. Yeah. And get them through the hole here. You see that? Everyone? So get them one at a time through the hole, just like this. Okay? You see that? Everyone? So get those wires through that hole, okay? Yeah, then you should be fine, okay? Then you can just do the rest. Yeah, I'll fix it. I'll fix it for you. Because I just want to make sure that basically you have all the components, and then once we put the program, and if it doesn't work, I'll fix it for you. So far, what we did today, you got the board, we put the glue here, okay?
Wait, can you like go back to when you put the wires?
She's not coming to the
So I want you to get the wires through these holes, just like this,
Like this?
okay? Yes. Get them out, okay? And I think you have a screwdriver. If you don't, I'm gonna give it to you.
I'm not done yet.
You have a screwdriver. So let's use the breadboard, like the front of the car.
Oh, I forgot something. Wait, where's my...
You see this breadboard? Okay. So I want you to connect the front wheels.
I lost my thingy. Oh, never mind.
You see the front wheels? I want them I want you to connect them through. So this motor here is gonna come. Doesn't matter which wire is gonna go to which hole. You're gonna connect it with these two terminals here.
These?
Yes, and then the other tire or the other wheel. You're gonna use the other two wheels. The middle hole here. We're not gonna use it.
So we unscrew it, right?
Yeah. So unscrew this first, and I'm gonna come and help you.
Unscrew what?
Those
Oh, I'm just this.
those
Here, do you see this? Do you see this? On your front side?
those screws right there. Unscrew them first, okay?
How do you
Yeah, I'm gonna give you one.